Understanding winch safety gear, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting and important topic, winch safety gear. Understanding this term is not just about expanding your vocabulary but also about enhancing your awareness of safety equipment used in various settings. Let's explore what winch safety gear is, its components, and why it's crucial for certain operations. Before we talk about winch safety gear, it's essential to understand what a winch is. A winch is a mechanical device used for pulling or lifting heavy objects. It works by winding a rope or cable around a drum, and it's powered manually, electrically, or hydraulically. Winches are commonly used in construction, boating, and off-road vehicle recovery. Now, let's focus on winch safety gear. This term refers to the safety devices and precautions used with winches to prevent accidents and injuries. It includes various components such as automatic brakes, emergency stop systems, protective gloves, and guide rollers. Each part plays a crucial role in ensuring the safe operation of the winch. Automatic brakes. Automatic brakes are designed to stop the winch drum from turning if the control is released, preventing the load from falling or slipping. Emergency stop systems. Emergency stop systems allow the user to quickly shut down the winch operation in case of an emergency, offering an immediate response to potential hazards. Protective gloves. Protective gloves protect the operator's hands from injuries caused by handling the rope or cable, such as cuts or abrasions. Guide rollers. Guide rollers help in managing the cable's direction as it winds or unwinds, reducing wear and tear and minimizing the risk of tangling. Winch safety gear is vital for preventing accidents and ensuring the well-being of those operating the winch. It not only helps in avoiding property damage but also significantly reduces the risk of injuries. Understanding and using winch safety gear properly is essential for anyone involved in activities requiring winches, emphasizing the importance of safety training and awareness. We hope this video has been informative and has helped you understand the meaning and importance of winch safety gear. Remember, safety should always be a top priority, and knowing how to use safety equipment correctly is key to preventing accidents. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.